Reliable access to medications, best practices to mitigate disruptions in drug manufacturing. The pharmaceutical industry is critical in providing life-saving medicines to patients worldwide. However, disruptions in drug manufacturing can have severe consequences for patient safety, leading to shortages that impact access to essential medications. Whether it's a problem found during a quality check or unplanned equipment failures. Any interruption in the pharmaceutical manufacturing process can have detrimental consequences for patients' health. To address these challenges and ensure reliable drug manufacturing, pharmaceutical companies can implement best practices and proactive measures. Here are the best practices that can help mitigate disruptions in drug manufacturing and ensure uninterrupted access to essential medications. 1. Product and Process Monitoring System. Implement a pharmaceutical quality management system to ensure that all processes, from raw material selection to distribution, are controlled. This system should include robust procedures and tools for monitoring and evaluating process performance and product quality, including data acquisition and analysis. 2. Corrective Action and Preventive Action System. This system should include formal processes for issue identification, data collection, analysis, solution development, and implementation of corrective actions. It should also involve tracking the effectiveness of corrective actions and taking preventive measures to avoid similar problems in the future. The COPPA system is a critical component of good manufacturing practices and should drive continuous improvements and enhance the understanding of products and processes. 3. Change Management System. Incorporate a comprehensive change management system into your pharmaceutical quality management practices to ensure proper documentation and risk identification for any process changes. This system should have a formal change identification, review, approval, tracking and monitoring process. The goal is to maintain product quality and minimize the risks of unintended consequences by implementing controlled and consistent changes. 4. Risk-based asset management. With a robust CRM approach, you can proactively identify and address potential risks associated with equipment failures. This process starts by conducting a criticality analysis to prioritize equipment based on its criticality in manufacturing. Then, a failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, on critical equipment should be performed. Finally, effective control strategies can be developed to prevent or mitigate unplanned equipment failures by understanding the potential failure modes and their effects. Monitoring performance indicators such as asset utilization and overall equipment effectiveness will provide real-time insights into the health of the equipment and enable proactive maintenance and replacement decisions. By implementing these best practices, pharmaceutical companies can enhance the reliability of their drug manufacturing processes and minimize the risk of disruptions. If you found the video insightful, please share it with your colleagues. Join our next webinar to learn more about how new technologies can help increase reliability and compliance in the life science manufacturing. Register now at www.qualistory.com.